Okay, I am starting my recording. So what you have seen, you got it, no? This time what I am going to do, I am going to run this, right? He has joined. Where this person, why it is taking him to? Keshav, are you understanding now what I told you?
Yeah, I am. Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
tell me.
having some network issues. So sorry, Raz. I don't know. It is frequently disconnecting and connecting. Hello.
Okay.
Am I
Yeah, yeah,
audible?
yeah. Yeah, yeah, you are audible. I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. You can continue. That person, what happened? Why he is not joining? Who was that? Srinath Keshav Reddy. Keshav Reddy is you only. Who was joined? Okay, Kevin is joined. Okay, Kevin. So you understood, right?
Yeah.
So this time what I am going to do, I am going to run this script. If I am going to run this script, what is going to happen? It will not ask any password. It will not ask any credential because all credential is taken from that file. So if I go and you will see here, I have received the email, right? Got it? So if you want to write any programming and it has to send the email in your Gmail, so you have to give the password somewhere and you can give that login in that some file directly. The PowerShell will use that file, but in your office not required to give this password automatically. Only this much will going to work. So you told directly if I will go with password, it will work or not. Just try. I can pass that password from here, not the secure string password. I will give the login name and password from, and I will has this. So directly password is gone. No, it is not. I think you have to give this. It is asking for, it's required that. So I think you will not able because we are using this no PS credential. So PS credential maybe it's required the secure password only. And directly if you want to send from the credential, then we have to directly send this detail from the credential only. So how we can send, because we are writing credential and it is taking that all, because two value you have to pass, right?
Okay.
We will see that credential whether we are able to send that, because I have not came across this, so I was not used. So you understood, no? So if you are
Yes,
sending this, so you will able to send the password. Okay, somewhere again I have the secure password. Okay, now it is sending. So again, next thing, if you want to send any attachment to this file, so you can send it like this attachment. So what happened? You created some report or you have created which are the services you have started. It will be PowerShell. You have written the logic. It will be saved one by one into some file. After that, that file location you are going to give it to here, and it is going to send the mail, right? So no problem. So like that, if you are going to give the attachment, you have to pass the attachment from here, attachment, and you can give the what is the attachment is this. Just example, I will try one more time. One thing, dollar attachment, and what is the attachment I want to send. I will just I will go through it, and I want to send as a attachment. I want to send the attachment as my this one job field.html. Some report I have created, job field report, and how to get the report I will going to teach you that later. HTML I have given this time, and if I'm going to run this, it will not ask the password. That attachment is gone here, and this time if I'll go and I will check my email, it's not came. It is came with that attachment this time, right? If I will download the attachment, if I'm going to open, I will get the all detail. So how to create this HTML file, I'm going to tell you that. But as of now, you know that how we can take our result, whatever you want, into some file, right? Which are the services is running, which are the services has started, which are the services is not started. Everything you want, you can, you are able to put that into the notepad file into the some location. That file location and name you will give it to you can pass using this way. So it is going to send that all detail also. Same thing I have done here also. There will be no problem. Attachment, same thing. So I hope you understood how to send the email using SMTP server, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. So again, I am going with one more command. That one I will just going to show you. That is how we can send the mail using using .NET library. So using .NET library, it's very simple to send the mail. You here also you have to define the SMTP server detail here also, but because I'm sending in the office, so that's why it is not asked for any credential and all, right? Directly I'm putting the script, right? And I'm just calling the send message, how SMTP dot send message. That send message is having this logic .NET mail message server, right? And SMTP detail will be having the all SMTP server detail. It's having the all of the logic, so automatically it will pick up that all. So SMTP and that message, from message property I am sending, from where, whom to send, what to send, that all detail, right? And if you are going to run directly, it is going to send this mail. So I have given the code also in that. I am going to send you, just I will go, where is that command, convert to secure string. I have already explained you. Email from office. So if you want, this is that. So you can see here. So this one will not work here, because if I'm going to configure Gmail, I have to give the port number and I have to pass the credential also. But in your office, no need. You can write host something you want. You can just give the SMTP server detail. You can go with new object, and this in this message only, message dot you have to give from, message dot reply to whom, message dot add what you want, message dot subject, message dot body, message dot attachment, everything whatever you want for the mail, you have to give this in new object, whatever you will create, dot you have to give, and you have to give. Next one is your, this is the SMTP server detail. You have to create one variable in that, and using this to use, you have to use it here, and you can send the mail into the office. This one I have already explained to you. So like that, you will able to send the email into the using the PowerShell. No problem.
Rajesh, provide the script this one for .NET frame.
Yeah. I will provide this script. No
Okay.
problem. But you have to test in your office.
Okay.
In that, because Exchange only you have to use. Otherwise, and whenever you are using that, use that two things I will tell you. Some of the time your email address will don't having the permission to send that email. So that time what you go, if you have configure your database mail configuration, go to database mail configuration, check what email address they have given here.
Okay.
So what email address in your office the DB mail configuration is configured, you go and open and check what is the email address what they have given here. Same email address you use there for sending the email.
Okay.
Got it? Got it, no? So you understood how to send the email using the PowerShell, no doubt, right?
Yes.
Okay, just I'm going with little bit more command, which one we are going to discuss, I think, but you go and do the practice in this. Go and configure your Gmail account, try to send that mail, create and try to add two things. Means somewhere you are getting some report, either using a get command or get command, you want to filter anything, you use that command. After that you take the result into the notepad file, and after that you write the script where it is going to send that all, take that all detail, means that notepad file detail from that path and sending the email, right? So whatever I explained till first day class, you add everything into this class, right? You will able to do that?
Yes, sir. Rajesh.
Okay, please do the practice, because tomorrow again I am going to take the class. Okay, so I'm going with next. Job failure send ML command. What is this script? This last time I have went and I have taken the mini example for get process, right? Now get command. So get command, we have discussed very more things, and you have seen also how the get command was working, and get command result I have taken into this also, right? And we have gone through the few example also into this, right? Few example we have taken, I think 4 or 5 example we have gone through it, right? Correct. So just I will try to close first. Guys, you are understanding no what I am teaching, because that is more important for me. And this time very less people has joined for this class. If you will see the last batch, I think Kesav Reddy, you was there, right? So 10, 10, 15 people was joining there. So this time very less strength, only two, 3 people is only there. Okay. So this time whatever you have doubt, you will able to ask. Hello, Kevin, I'm audible.
Yeah. Yes, yes, sir. Manish.
Okay, because
Yeah, I think sorry, I got disconnected again. Yeah, last class the batch size is huge.
yeah, you can see the last class there was the many student was there, right?
Correct, correct.
So this time you only you or 2 people or 3 people is only there. So this is the good time where you can ask the all of the doubt whatever you want, because later again if the more student will be there, then it is difficult, right?
Correct.
Okay, so hope you have understood this. I am going with the about the get process now. So this is the get command I have already explained. I am going with the get process. So if I am going to run this get process, what is going to be happen? You will able to see the all process which is running for the in that SQL server, not SQL server, in your system. All process is going to be display. The process is same as whatever you are able to see that into your task manager. If you are going with the task manager, so whatever process you are seeing, this all process only it is going to display here. So if you are going with the process seeing, what thing you are saying, that is a process, all process CPU, all process memory, all process disk or network, power usage or power something. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 or 6 parameter you are able to see that from that your this one Powershell. But if you are going to see the same thing from that Powershell, what kind of process is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a 7 processes coming here, but it is not only 7. This is many more. We will see that now how we are going to do that. So if I want to filter any process, Zoom I am running, I want to know which kind of Zoom process running. If I will do that, I will able to see that there is a 2 process of the Zoom, which one I have open. If you'll see here, there's 2 is already open. Like that, whatever you want, you can do that. Next one is your format table. So if I will run this format table, what is going to happen? Result will be same, because result is very less. So that's why it is not showing much more detail. Same Zoom, what I am going get process, I have given it, and filter format table I have written auto size. So what is going to be happen now? So it will be giving that all result. Why it is giving? Because I have used the star. If I am going to use the star, so what are the property of that? Like what you have seen that the 4 5 property into the task manager for the process, 6 or 7 property is coming for the Powershell. If you are going to do, you can see here 5 6 properties coming, but it is not only that much, it is much more is there. So what are the detail you will able to see? Name, ID, there is class, there
Hierarchy
is the
class.
version, hand count. Head count is your this one. Then verse, there is a many more thing is there. Path, everything you will able to see if you are going to give the star. If I'm not going to give the auto size and then we are going to run this, what we are going to get? It will be almost same result only it will come. Okay. If I'm going with wide wise, if I will, this time I have written table. If I'm going with wide, and then if I will go and run, what is going to happen? Because it is not going to give the much more result. It is just giving the zoom, and it is become the okay. It is not going to display anything. If I'm going to remove this auto size, what is the result now? So just wide wise. So what is the name of that? Because I have given the name, so it is going to display the only name of that process. So it will come in this wise. If you are going to use that zoom with the list wise, so what is the result you will get? And if I'm giving the star, so you will get the all of the property result of that zoom. So zoom, and this time what you have seen, it is not for one, it is giving the for all property it is going to show. So this time you will see, that time you have seen it is the 5 or 6 result was showing. This time you can see there is many more result you will able to see. This all you want, you can filter it. You can see these are the property. So of course you don't know about this all property. Why? You know very few things, like you know what is the id, you know what is the start time info, you know that something called what is the path of that file. So this thing, what is the product name, you will understood what is the company they are using, right? So you are not aware of that much more thing. You know only that which process, like zoom I am running, so what is the zoom id is there. So many things you don't know. What is the path of that, where the executable file is operated, what is the company name from where you are running this. So you know that there is a many more thing is there into that PowerShell script. If you are going, you will able to see that all detail, right? No problem.
Yeah.
Correct. Same thing if I want to know about the SQL server, if I will go and if I will run this star SQL, so there will be many SQL server process is running. There is a 4 process is running for the SQL server, right? Getting or wrong? Getting no? Okay. Get process, if I'll give property and name and auto size, if I'm going to run, what is good. So now you understood what is the format table, what is the wide, what is the list, right? But in your because this is very simple, if I'm going to write the property, it is going to display that all detail about that, just name, all name it will come with. In this means what are the process it is running for my system, all name it is going to be display. I have written wide wise, so it is giving the in the wide range. If I will go and put the table, so what will be result now? It is going to be display into the table wise, that all detail name. So you understood what is that table wide, what is the list. If I'm going to put list here, it is going to give the result into the list wise. I think there will be more change and all. So it is not list wise, I cannot run that because there is a 2 thing is coming. So you understood what is the format wise, what is the meaning of that table wise. So you go to the Google also, and then you can check how the result is formatting, it will work. And real time, once we will go with the more example, then you will understood more. So this time what I'm going with the get process, and I'm doing format wide, I'm writing 40. So what is going to happen? My all result will be divided into the 40 part. If I'm going to give here 4, just example. So what is going to happen? Result I will get into the 4 line. If I'm going to give here 2, means my all result, whatever I am filtering it, get process, it is filtered through the 2 line. Okay, then no problem, right, guys?
Yeah. And 2 columns it's coming.
Yeah.
So like that, but exactly what I want you go to the Google, see how the formatting will work. So I am showing you just 3-4 example. There is the many ways there for formatting, because once you will generate your result, that time you have to get the result in your own way. Maybe you want this way, so how to filter it. So I will show you some example into the later, right?
Okay.
Okay, so you understood that. So get process, if I will get format this property name, so like this, if you are going to give means, well, your whole property detail is going to be displayed with it. So if you want like any process, you know the process name, and you want to see that which are the process you will run, it will be going to tell about the PowerShell ISC.
Okay.
So I have given the name for that process, and it is given the few more result into that, right? But if I want few more result you want to see, I told you there will be a multiple of result is there. So if I want, I can go with pipe symbol, select star. If I will give, what are the result I will give? I will get the all result, but the result is not coming into the proper format. So what I will give, I will write here for list wise. So because select star is not giving my proper result. Format list. I've given format list, and then I will give property, and I'm giving the star. This time what is going? So this time it is going to give that all detail into this way, but I don't want this way. I can go with select. Okay, I have given the name, that's why it is showing that name. I have to remove that name. That's why I was thinking why it is not here. If I'll go for the star. Okay, now you are able to see that all detail, right? In that, what I want whatever thing I want to display. Just you know that this is came for the all process, whatever process is running, right? But you want few things which will be in this line. I'm going, and in this line I want to know few more things. Like what thing I want? I want name of this process. So you can see the name it's coming here, right? So you can able to find out that all detail that will be, it is running more because I think that will be, I've given the name, right? I want to filter this name. Just this is giving the result for the all of the process. What I will do, I will just kill that. I have stopped this. So I will find out from here ID. So something I want. This time I want what is the version of this this one. So you don't know, no. First you don't know what kind of thing we can filter. You can give comma, right? You can give in this way. Name, before giving name, you have to give the format list. Because otherwise format list property, you given the name, you given the in that all. I want what I want the filter only for these things. What I'm going to filter? Name. I want version. I want path. I want path. From which path this is file is executing. I want something called which company is for this one, which company it is. This I want what is the CPU is using, or what is the container will not side. What is the process name is there for this one? Just example. I can pick the process name. What is the model? So something I want like that. So you don't know what thing you can filter. What you have done, you have given this format list property, or otherwise you can give this also, get process and then give process this this name, you give this, and you can give hyphen property star. So that is going to be display the property for that ISC, and what you want to filter you can go through. So you have to know what thing you will be able to filter. So I told you there will be multiple things is there. So now you can see the all detail is coming. Name is Powershell ISC, version is this, path is this, from this path is executing, company name is Microsoft, process is ISC. You whatever you want, you can go with the more filter. So if you are going to see these things from task manager, maybe you will not able to see anything there. But if you want to see the same thing from where, from your task Powershell, you will able to find out much more information. Correct? You understood, guys?
Rajesh, if you want name from the first 10, you can get
First
it, right?
10 means what?
And a lot of list are there, right? If you are getting the get process name, a lot of list is coming. I want only top 10.
That also you will able to do. You can use that. What is asking? I need to drop what I have to go through. Okay, he want to go through the video anyhow. Is it? Yeah, you can do that. You can check that. That is the top 10 you want. You can write the top 10. So get process you do, and in that get process you can type this one, and you can go the top 10 like that. You can able to filter. No problem. You can try with your own. Whatever you
Okay.
want. No, you go and check that. You will get the result,
Okay.
and
Okay.
you are getting this all result. If you want, you can add here auto size. So like that you will able to display that all result, and you will able to see that there is something called var. So you go and tell me what is the WRAP. You go and read about that. If you
Wrap.
want any,
Actually, the notepad will go try with hot. This one.
yeah, sorry.
Check. No, wrap means line by line, right?
Yes, correct. So you go and how the data is going to be filtered, something you can do in that way. So these are the command which one you can go with that practice format. So main I want you to go and read about the formatting the table or formatting the result into the PowerShell, right? You
Okay.
go do the practice. This
Sure.
one was okay.
Give me this document.
Yeah, today I will going to send you the all document, because day 2 class I'm going to complete. Day 3 class will goes for 4 days, man. I am telling you now itself, because
Okay.
day 3 class having the lot of things. Actual real programming is going to be started from here only. Day 3 class.
Okay. Okay.
Day 3 is much more important class for you for the PowerShell guys.
Okay.
So what thing I have completed? This one is done. I have completed this. This one is done. E for bad. This one I have already explained. Email from office, how you will run from the PowerShell. .NET library I have done. This one is also done. Get process. Okay, I'm going with the few more things. What you are asking the question, that is the all result is here now. So this time what I'm going to do, I'm reading my file. I am
Okay.
reading my file, which will be pressed here the error log, right?
Okay.
If I'm going to run this, what I'm getting in this location itself, that that error log file is not there. I have to check where is my error log file. Maybe program file, Microsoft SQL Server. Log, and here is the error log for this. So I'm taking this file and I'm going to read this file. Oh,
Another is exception. Permission denied.
permission is denied for this part. Okay. Okay, sorry. I have to give the error log also, no? Then only it is that file. Now it will work. Because I have not given that. So you can see that I am going to run this now. I'm going to show you few more things. So everything, whatever I'm teaching, no, you just make a note.
Okay.
Because later, once you are writing the script, how many years of experience you have now?
5.5, Rajesh.
Then it is good. 5.5 means once you are going to new company, it is going to be more helpful for you. So what is that? If I'm going to give total 3 means, and wait, if you are giving, so what is it is reading the above top command.
Top 3, huh?
Yes. Right, I think top 3 or bottom 3 will read. I think total 3 means from beginning it will be going to read that. After 10 minutes again it is going to be will log off.
No, total count 3 means up to it will read.
3 count it will be it will go and it will just give me 1 minute. I will be CLS I will do. So you can see the top 3 line is this. Getting? This is the July corporation, something like that, right?
Okay.
In the error log is this. If you are going to give the total count, so it will total count. If you are giving, it is reading the from beginning total count 3, 1, 2, 3 line.
Okay.
If you are giving,
Show me that path answer, error log path.
this is the error log path. You want to go to this file, right?
That is SQL error log only, right? You
Yeah,
are
it is.
mentioning.
Yes, SQL error log.
Okay, fine.
Because this time I am telling, go to this part and read this error log. Later I will show you, just I will give the SQL server name. Automatically Powershell has to read the error log, which is related with this error log file.
Okay.
If you are going with tile 12, means it is reading the top, not top, bottom 12 line.
Tile. Okay, tile means last. Huh? Okay.
Last. And
Okay.
if you are going to give, if you are taking the result and you want to generate your own file, like there is something called, you have written something and you want to match with error and all, so you can generate the set content, and then you want to create some report and you have to send, you can do with this way. Next one is,
no, I have the doubt. The third one, what is that error log is there? Set content C top 50 means that is another log file.
no, it will be, it is taking the result from here.
Okay.
After that, what it is going, it is set content, it is creating one file in the C drive. All result whatever you have, it will come here, it is going to paste into this file.
Okay. Because
And
this
after
is result.
after that, what you have to do, you have to use this location into your script, which one I have said, told you know, to write how to send the mail into the Gmail, right? You can use this attachment, this file. So now I'm taking the all result, but whatever you want to filter something called CPU related, you want something called error related, or you want which are the database related thing, it is started successfully or not. So everything, whatever you want, you can filter as per your requirement, and then you can convert into the notepad file, and that notepad file you send from the Gmail account, that all detail. So I'm telling you how you can add multiple of script logic into the single file.
Okay.
If you are writing append, what is going to happen in the same file, whatever you are generating, it will be override to that. If you want to match something, it's called, I'm not going to generate this one, I'm going to run only this much. If so, what is the result is coming? Now result is not coming, because if you want to filter anything with the CPU related thing, so if I will go and if I will give the CPU, whether the result is coming or not. No, CPU result is not coming, I will give error. So what happened? It is taken the result. I want this error detail should be saved into this file.
Okay, it will be showing only the error message, right?
Error message. So in that error log, if you want to filter, because if somebody told whenever some error is happening in your error log file SQL server, you have to send that detail into the email, right?
Okay. Oh yeah.
So it is not required not to send the all error log detail. Just you want only error log.
This after matching this one, this will be error. This logs will be replaced in the 50 top 50 dot, right? That is only right?
No. It is just name of the file. It is just, you can give that top 50. Don't give. You give the error detail.
No. My understanding is after matching errors, that file, that content will be moved to this file.
Yes. You can see the example. If I'm going to run this, what has happened now? In the C folder, this file has been created. If I will go to here, if I'll go to C, you can see this one is created, error log detail. This is the file, and it's having the all error related detail.
Okay, that all I'm saying, that all the what are the errors will be pasted in this path.
Yes, because later if I'm telling you to go and write that two script, I am telling you to merge. One means if any path, you go to the error log path, go and match what is the error is there. If the error is there, go and create one file for that. That file you send using the Gmail. You will able to do that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so you try with that, and same
Okay.
thing is just example, small example, that one I have explained. So today I have completed. It was a very simple class. In the one day only I am completing this. So this is the
Okay.
same script, whatever it is there, field job
Okay,
detail, because
send me today. I'll practice this.
okay, sure, I will send. So like field
Okay.
job detail. So many times, what are the SQL Server job has failed, you have to send into the report, right?
I think this will be explained by you only later classes. My doubt is, for example, you have
What?
400. No. My doubt is, for example, we have 400 servers, Rajesh.
Okay.
Okay, in that servers, I want a report of only the drives. Okay, which are in the above the threshold of 70%. Shall we
Oh
go
yeah,
for the?
I'm going to
Yeah.
show you that script whenever I am going to explain the HTML. That time I am
Okay,
going to
fine,
teach
fine,
you
fine,
that
fine.
in the very bright way. I am going to teach you, not only
Because
that much. If
you are also in the TCS regularly. What we do, because till now I don't have the knowledge in only
you can see
on the
that,
Powershell.
yeah,
Okay.
you can see the HTML. I think
Okay.
you want this only. If I will go to day 4 class, HTML day 4 class, you
Okay.
want, no, it is
Anything.
just,
I mean, not only this one. We can go anything, right? For example,
you want result in
sometimes.
this format, like C,
Yes.
C64, size is this, free
Ah,
space is available 43. If the
for
space
all
will
the
be,
servers you can do, right?
yes, and then it
Okay.
has to send the detail. It is a warning. If the space is more than 74% satisfactory,
Okay.
if the space is less than 30%, it has to be critical. And this time I have
Okay.
written in the HTML format. Everything I'm going to teach you guys, don't worry, just give
No, why
some
I'm
time.
asking that after this training, Azure, I want to move to another company then because package is
Yeah,
very
yeah, yeah.
less.
You can move. You just learn everything, whatever Powershell I have explained. But
Okay.
if somebody is asking, you tell you are writing some script for your office, you have developed this script. Easily they will
Okay.
hire you and they will give you the package not that much. If your package is like 30%, they have to use, they will increase the 40%. If you are the 4 5 years experience, your package will move very fast.
Okay.
Right? I am the 12 years of experience, married, taken the home, so I can't go anywhere.
Okay. Now, yes. Because once 12-year experience, we should not move anywhere. Okay.
Yes, 12 years,
In the
13 years
10
experience.
years, we should at least three jumps should be there, Rajesh.
Big jump should be there, correct, otherwise
Ah,
your package will not move. So there is two way only to stay into the office. One is either you learn everything in your office, okay, so move it
okay.
from there, or otherwise you are seeing there is no improvement is there, so then also you can move it from the office.
Okay.
Third one is your, if you are staying in office and package wise is also not, so that one all people will do. So only for
Yes.
package, don't go for the other company. There is two.
No. Yes.
If you have
Because in the
learned, then
TCS,
only you go, or otherwise if you are, so that's why there is two things I will always telling you. If you only for
okay.
package, I am looking for package, that is not good, because later
Okay.
if you are going into the other company, they are looking for this also. Into 3 years, how many company you have changed, whether you have changed the three, so they will not hire you only. If you are telling
Okay.
in
Okay.
one company I was there for 3 years, directly
Okay.
HR will not ask any question, they will tell, okay, select this person.
Okay.
Got it, no? So that's why I was
Okay.
always telling you to stay in the more time in your first company, then second company you can do that.
Okay. Then. Because
Okay then.
after this completion, if you start Azure, I will join compulsorily.
Yeah, I will join. I will take 15 days rest now, because
No
continuous I
problem.
am,
Take your time. Because
because this
still
is
in
my
the
third
TCS,
class
I
I am
will.
going to take, so I don't
Okay.
want to continue now.
Okay. Right.
Okay then, fine.
By end of the day, I'll pay the fees. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Thank you so much, Raj.
Mhm.
Please send me the document link so that I'll
Yeah, I will
practice.
send you,
Okay. Shall I leave it now?
yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajesh.